Hi guys, here the unboxing for Sennheiser HD700. This headphone is one of the high-end headphone by Sennheiser, but this is the unboxing. The carriage box is very simple. You have this image on the front, but the other side are clean. Now we go to see what there is inside the box. Inside the box we have this other box that is very beautiful, because this is like wood, but in reality is paper, box paper. And inside we have the headphone. Voila! This is the Sennheiser HD700. This is all for the unboxing, and I see you. Goodbye. Bye bye.